Dear Admission Officer, my name is Wang Ziju. My undergraduate major was animation. This time I'm applying to the Design Innovation and Citizenship program. Through my studies in animation, I learned how to use visuals and rhythm to connect with people emotionally. What really made me clearly about moving toward Design Innovation and Citizenship was my internship at China Animation Group, where I worked on designing an app called Jiutong Smart Hall. This app targets parents who focus on scientific parenting and children aged 6 to 14, and is aimed to help people understand traditional Chinese medicine in a relaxed and fun way. Our research found that many families recognize traditional Chinese medicine culture, but often find it difficult to understand and it's hard to explain to kids, which leads to a loss of interest among younger generations. So I shifted from teaching to engaging through simple games and shared tasks about acupoint and solar teams. We designed not just an app, but shared moments of discovery. Seeing families interact and explore together, I realized design can turn culture into conversation. That's what I hope to explore further in GSA's program, how design can connect people and society through human-centered participation. It is not just making things, but creating meaningful human-centered interventions that foster real participation and change. In my portfolio, the project I most want to share is a special book I create for visually impaired children. The silent key is not to be read, but to be felt. Before designing it, I visited a welfare center and noticed that most books for them lack a sense of fun and exploration, so I thought this book shouldn't teach them something, but rather invite them to play, discover, and explore. To make the touch feel more natural, I tossed over 20 types of paper to find one that felt inviting to the touch. All elements in the books was made by my hand. For example, interactive mechanism, brilliance, and reliefs. The process was very slow, but I feel that if the book was meant to tell children your hand can create too, then it should be made by hand. This was never just about making a book. It's become a way to guide how children perceive the world through touch. This is what draws me to Design Innovation and Citizenship. Design rooted in people, growing into new ways to connect, perceive, and engage with the world. I believe good design, like good animation, starts with truly understanding people. I'm eager to join the Design Innovation and Citizenship program at GSA to explore how design can move beyond objects toward building real connections, nurturing participation, and supporting people in imagining new ways of living together.